Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe and your paint sprayer ready. Put on a respirator, goggles, and gloves. Once done, ventilate the room well. Mix and strain paint to the manufacturer's recommended viscosity so the gun won't clog. Attach the cup, secure fittings, and turn on the unit at low pressure for a quick air purge. You're taking these steps to prevent runs, reduce overspray, and ensure a consistent atomization before you begin the actual spraying. You now dial in the gun and practice the motion. Start by choosing the correct nozzle and fan width. Once set, lower pressure slightly to avoid orange peel. Make test passes on cardboard and inspect the pattern. Adjust pressure or tip size to get fine, even atomization. When spraying, maintain a 6 to 12-inch distance and travel parallel to the surface, using a steady speed and half-width overlap for each pass. Doing this balances. You finish by allowing the coat to flash and inspecting for defects under good light. Make light touch-ups if needed. Once done, flush the system thoroughly with the correct solvent and disassemble the tip, needle, and filter for cleaning and drying. This preserves seals and performance. If you encounter sputtering or clogging, stop, relieve pressure, clean or replace the inline filter, and thin the paint 5 to 10% if required. Then reassemble and test at low PSI to confirm steady flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.